Getting into a car accident will ruin anyone's day. It's stressful and can put a toll on your body. However, there are 7 common car accidents that you can prepare for. The worst type of car accident is a rear-end collision. Try to stay at least 3 seconds behind the car in front of you. Also, try to drive strategically so you don't have to slam on your brakes all of a sudden. Try to park far away from the entrance. Most people won't park far away from the entrance, which means fewer cars around for you to ding your door. Sometimes you can't always prevent windshield damage. However, you can try not to drive too closely behind a truck to prevent this. Getting into a car accident at an intersection is more common than you may think. This usually happens when drivers are distracted or are speeding up to try to make it by the red light. Car theft is also something that can be difficult to prepare for. However, you can remove any valuable items from your car and never park in a dark location. Backing out of your driveway or a parking spot at the gym can be a collision waiting to happen. Look twice before reversing and try to back out in a straight line. While you can't always avoid driving in inclement weather, you can at least drive a little slower than normal. You can also purchase a cover for your car to protect it from hail, trees, and sun damage. Ready to shop? Visit Toyota of Clermont at 16851 State Road 50.